some coffee. Second, I gotta pick something up from a local parts store near me. I'll take you guys with me on that too. And third, I'm gonna show you how to thoroughly clean your wheels. So let's get right to it. Can I please have a large iced cold brew black with force blender?
Large black force blender?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then can I just have one egg and cheese wake up wrap?
For $2 in this one?
Sure, why not?
Okay.
That's it. Thank you. So I hope everybody's doing well, you know, during these quarantine times. I know this is something that none of us are used to. But you know, life happens. You got to make do with what you got. You got to stay productive. So over here getting some coffee. Well, that's how a Dunkin' Donuts run looks like. Alright guys, so we're about to go inside. Take you with me. Now, this is how everybody can do it. So you don't have to have any special chemicals, any special tools. I'll show you everything you need once we actually get inside. So, mask on. Make sure you underneath your chin. Pinch the top of your nose. Glove number 1. And glove number deuce. Oh yeah, obviously don't forget your wallet. Let's do this thing. In case you're wondering where I'm going specifically, it's Pep Boys right here on my house. Hopefully they're open. But yeah, you can find what I'm about to show you at Pep Boys, AutoZone, you know, Advanced Auto Parts, anywhere. There's a certain wheel cleaner that I like to use. Here we go. Grills Garage heavy duty wheel cleaner. You need that. You're also gonna need some form of tire dressing / tire shine. So you can use this one. This one I found works pretty well. You just kind of gotta wipe it off after you apply it, so that this way. Actually, no, matter of fact, keep the Grill Garage. Grills. We'll try this. All right, so you get that, your wheel cleaner, the tire shine. And then lastly, you want a clay bar. Grab this. Alright, and then if you don't have, you can grab any one of these towels here. A little pack. You're gonna throw those away, so you don't have to get too crazy with it. And then the last thing that you might want to get is one of these brushes. Preferably when it's kind of soft like this. And then one to get in the nooks and crannies, like this one. So actually, we'll go ahead and grab it. Sorry guys, trying to do this all with one hand, bear with me. Alright, so brush, tire shine, wheel cleaner, clay bar. Done. Do a quick little highway pull.
What do you do next?
Floor it?
Yes. No! No! Don't floor it!
Floor it?
No! No, no! Don't floor it!
Okay, floor it!
No!
Alright peeps, so basically to not make this too long-winded, take your wheel, which if you don't know, your boy just picked up some new wheels for the Soapy, so look forward to seeing how these look on the car. But anywho, like I said, make sure that you have microfiber towels. Doesn't matter which brand. I bought this super cheap. I think it was like maybe $6, and it came with 24 of them. These are disposable, like, you know, you use them once and you get rid of them. If you want some nice quality towels, you can go on like obsessedgarage.com. They supply detail or sell detail supplies or chemical guys. Anyway, you can see we got the wheel cleaner here. It's just soap and water. What you want to do is you fill the whole bottle up with water, and then you pump, like I say, maybe 3 or 4 squirts. Squirts.
Oh God! No! God, please, no! No! No!
Into the bottle, and then you kind of stir it up. And yeah, so you're gonna use this to go ahead and clean the tires, and then you're gonna use this, of course, to clean the actual wheel. So
we're just gonna go ahead and spray it. Oops.
by the way, this is the other brush that I was talking about. You want something that has hard bristles to clean the tire. I personally like to apply it dry, let it sit for a couple seconds, and then go ahead and grab this guy, which happens to be an interior duster, but it works the same because it'll get into these little nooks and crannies. Now I have the wheel off the car. You can also do this with the wheel on the car. It doesn't matter. The only reason why I'm doing it like this is because, you know, I just got these. So anyway, I guess I'll go ahead and, I don't know what that was. Alright guys, so that's what it looks like after you go ahead and clean the face of the wheel. This Grio's garage stuff actually does a pretty good job. As you can see, it says heavy duty wheel cleaner. But it does a great job. Once you scrub it in with this, just be careful with this metal edge. Obviously you don't want to, you know, go too hard and accidentally damage your wheel. So now we'll go ahead and just get to the tires. Now to clean the tires, literally just take the soapy water, you spray it all along the edge, and you go ahead and scrub. Alright, so now of course, since I have the wheel off, you guys can get a better idea as to cleaning the backside or the inside or the barrel, whatever you prefer to call it. So the same concept, you want to spray the actual inside of the barrel of the wheel. If you do a car wash regularly, meaning like, you know, once a week, once every 2 weeks, then you won't have to do this every time. But anywho, if you actually have the wheel on the car, you can just grab one of your microfiber towels, wet it up, add some of the soapy water, and take the towel and reach into the actual spoke and wipe it with your hand if it's a larger size spoke like this. If not, just like I showed you at Pep Boys, there's actually brushes that you can get that reach back to the barrel of the wheel, so you can go ahead and get this part. If you're doing this inside, make sure you're either wearing a mask, you have the fan on, or you have the door open, because some of these chemicals can be a little bit harsh, and obviously you don't want to keep yourself in an enclosed area and cause damage to your lungs. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean the inside of the barrel, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Now, lastly, this depends basically on how crazy you want to get with it. Me personally, since I just got these, I want to try to clean them to the best of my ability. But if you go ahead and open any clay kit that you got, you're gonna have the clay bar just like this. Basically, what you're gonna want to do is, of course, open it up. Personally, when it comes like this, I only use half to try and get it to last longer, but separate it like that, and I can take this piece, and kind of knead it up into like a pancake, basically. Now what this is gonna do is, I'll try to see if I can get real close to it. I don't know if you can see, there's some staining inside the actual wheel. There's some tar in here from driving on New York roads, things like that, right? And if you rub your hand on the actual inside of the wheel, you can feel all these things with your hand. And what the clay bar is gonna go ahead and do is it's actually gonna lift that, you know, any type of debris or material that's made to the actual wheel surface. It's gonna go ahead and lift that up. You wanna take the soapy water once again, spray it on the surface a little bit. You wanna take it, oops. And you wanna basically rub it on the actual wheel, left and right. And obviously remember, look, you can see that, holy crap. Okay, so depending on how dirty your wheel is, you might wanna start folding the clay bar up into different sides of it, because after you get the clay bar basically saturated with any type of dirt or debris, you want to rotate it to the other side so you don't scratch or potentially damage the surface. But yeah, you want to make sure, of course, that you keep it well lubricated, and then of course start cleaning it. Now you want to do this until the surface feels extremely smooth with like little to no resistance, or the clay bar comes up clean, either or. Alrighty guys, so if you made it this far into the video, kudos to you. Give me a high five. I appreciate you. Your wheels should look crispy clean now. Now if there's tar buildup on the inside of the wheel and you couldn't get it off, you might want to consider taking it to a professional, but the clay bar should do the majority of the work for you. And yeah, you might ask yourself, well, Christian, what if I don't want to have to do this? You know, how can I prevent, you know, any type of dirt buildup or tar buildup on the inside of my wheel? I'm glad you asked. Go ahead and check this out. So I'm gonna post two different options. You're gonna have one which is gonna be a little bit more premium slash, you know, costly option. Now this is a ceramic coating. You can apply it on your wheels when you first get them, and this will help prevent brake dust from sticking to the wheels. It'll help prevent tar from sticking to the wheels. It's basically just like your paint. You want to protect it. That's the best option. Now if you want the budget friendly option, I'll go ahead and also post what they sell at Pet Boys, which is this, you know, other variation of, you know, protection. You can apply this to your wheels. It's not gonna last as long, and it's not gonna do as well, but it will get the job done. You'll just have to apply it more frequently. Anyway, getting back to what I was talking about, this is where the towels come in handy. You wanna make sure that you're applying tire shine to a nice and dry tire. So after you go ahead and dry it, just like I did, remember guys, these are disposable towels, so you can toss this one after you finish today, because they're cheap enough so you can do that. You grab whichever tire shine you chose, shake it up a little bit, and then apply it. Now the application is purely a matter of preference. Some of you guys like that really wet tire shine look. Me personally, I like the more OEM slash brand new tire look. So I apply it, right? And I'm gonna go ahead and take that same towel that I used to dry it, except I'm gonna use the other side. I'm gonna take that same towel and I'm gonna wipe it in. I'm gonna wipe it in. This is gonna help one of two things. One, it's gonna give me that nice satin finish that I'm looking for. Two, this is really gonna be, you know, how to prevent tire sling. Because now I'm not only applying the tire shine to a dry tire or dry surface, but now I'm also rubbing it in like lotion. So now there's really little chance of this slinging. But yeah guys, long story short, that's how you clean your wheels. If you made it this far in the video, go ahead and type down in the comment section, squeaky clean. I appreciate you, you loyal, you smart, never stop growing, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.